What is up, fellow garage dwellers? What's up, Chuck Chops? I almost elected not to video this because I knew there was going to be much wailing and gnashing of teeth. But might as well show the good with the bad. I've done good so far tonight. Got all that buttoned back up. Now it's time for the exhaust. I'm going to try and reuse the front stud that came out, but we'll see how it goes. So far so good. We'll all be dogged. It's almost there. Okay, it's just not quite lined up. Ah! Ah. All right. Okay, if I can get a couple started, it should suck everything back in together. These all ended up being exactly the same, so that was all for nothing. But at least I didn't lose them. So there's that. If I can sneak this guy on down here. At least it's not going to fall. Alright. So it's hanging there at least. I just hope I can get this stud started and not have it crossed up on me. Go very gentle. It doesn't feel like there's any pressure on it. I think we're good. It's not binding. Just a little snuggish. I am gonna wipe a little thread locker on that and hope that helps it bite. I should probably use red. Oh, thread locker, but red scares me. This stuff should do the trick. And just so you know, I on purpose left that space for my screwdriver. I don't often on purpose do a good thing, but yeah, I did it. Nope, I think I whipped it. Let's see what it sounds like with no muffler, just for funsies. That sounds nice. It's day 3. I've been in and out of the shop here for about 3 days working on the gold wing. Next thing up, get the muffler back on, engine guard back on, this side plastic's on, and then I am back to waiting on parts. Got to get a new radiator hose up front, and I can change the gaskets on the other side of the engine if I want to today. We'll see. I'm not feeling great, battling a cold a little bit, so we'll just work along what we can work on and go from there. When I bought this bike, there were 0 leaks on the garage floor of the fella I bought it from. It didn't leak. So here's what about for a few thousand miles of drippage, leakage, grime, road grime. There's probably little bits of Florida in there somewhere. I know there's Indiana in it. I gotta get that cleaned up. That way I know if my leakage has been fixed. Ew. Let that start breaking it down. Get her cleaned up. This is bad. That works nicely. Much better. If you took time to watch this video, thanks for your time. Like, comment, subscribe. Dislike if you want. If you do dislike, make a comment and tell me why. Maybe there's something I can improve on. Anyhow, thanks again.